All right, so here's the issue for me. So if I try and go down, it gets just about far, goes back up. It just keeps on doing the same thing over and over again. So from what I've been reading, the travrl module, which is this guy right here, is most likely dirty or something like that. So we're gonna open it up. So to do it there, you gotta take off this little clip right here. And then you can see there's a tab right here, a black one. So you gotta push that in to slide it out, and then a couple other ones. All right, so there's these two tabs right here, and then one there, and then one there. So, and then this obviously spins right here. So we're gonna turn this up so you can see better. Okay. All right, pretty simple to get off. I was missing one. There's a fifth right here. Okay, so what I see online, right? Like there's a decoder ring, LED thing, whatever right here, and another one right here. And I mean, this is a little oily, but not much. Really, I was hoping it would be a lot dirtier, but we'll clean it out and see. All right, so see if I can show you this. So there's a, all right. This guy has two gears that go into each other. So this bottom one has multiple of these slots that you can see along the edge. Wow, it makes, my finger does look gross. There's on the top one, a single one. What's interesting is you glance at it and think it would be the same, but the teeth on this, they're not the exact same. So on the top, they look like they're, you know, totally matched up, but you can see on the bottom, they're not. So what happens is, I can get this on here. So right now you can see, so see here, right, there's that opening. So as, so the shaft for the motor, right, comes and spins this guy, which, so spins, right, that guy, which spins that, which then spins this. So as this double stacked disc spins, the bottom one is spinning either slower or faster, right? So actually you can see now that one's open. And then as you go around, now it's closed. Because there's different number of teeth that are still compatible with the top gear, but are spinning the two at different speeds. So, yep, you can see now it's open again, spin it around, now it's closed right here, right? So that's, I don't know, I thought that was interesting. I don't know exactly what that means, and also if the placement, the orientation of these two to each other, but this is all the same all the way around. So I don't know how that's going to change anything. And then with these guys, since they rotate around each other, I don't know, maybe they do need to be synced, but maybe they don't. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out, but I'm gonna put it back together. But so now that I have that done, you can see this is kind of oily, but it's not enough oil that it was covering any of the slots, which is what I was hoping for, but maybe that's still just enough. There is some oil here on the bottom of this, you can kind of see. So anyways, I'm gonna clean that up. I'm also gonna make sure that there's no oil on the pickups here in between. Make sure that's all cleaned out. All right, I actually don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Actually, yeah, you can. So I realized there's these two channels, you know, these little square holes right there and there, matches up with there and there. So I imagine that is what's doing that visual look through. And then there's also, you know, that gap right here and that channel right there. Different than on the backside. This backside is just, you know, that. But yeah, I think, you know, right in there, it looks like you can see just a little bit of something. Yeah, those are hard to perceive. Anyways, so those would be specifically the areas to make sure that they're unobstructed, don't have oil in them. All right, so I just reinstalled that travel module in there, and it works. So I just had to redo my settings. You hold that down until it beeps, do your top setting, or limit setting, your bottom limit setting, and then you're good to go. But just wanted to let you know that it works. Oh yes, and also wanted to say I didn't have to take it apart and then put it in different like orientations or a specific position. I just threw it in there and it worked.